What up and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, we are going to talk about rational operators. Okay, in the previous video we have seen that we were making some conditions, but however there is a lot that we can do with these conditions. It's not only we can test something if it's equal to, we can test more than that. So the first rational operator is the one that we have already used here, checking if something is equal to. However, we can also test if this number is greater than 45, and then if it's greater than 45, let's just be general here and write true, and also let's just be general here and write false. So this condition will test, is this number greater than 45? Is that true or false? Let's just test if that is true or false. So it's false. It means that this number 45 is not greater than 45. The other rational operator that we have, it's less than. We can test, is this number less than 45? Let's just quickly run and see. The program is saying that is false. Let's make it less than 45 and see. True, because 6 is less than 45. Then another rational operator is less or equal to. So it's more like it's checking for two things. Let's first test less and see what it does, which is it's true because it's less or equal to. What if it could be 45? Let's quickly check and see. It's true because it's less or 45. So as you can see that the program is testing, is this number, which is also this, is it less or equal to 45? As you can see that it's less or equal to 45. And then let's just also tackle a topic or something that it's a little bit tricky, and what that is the difference between the double sign and the triple sign, or we can do that one in the next video. I don't want you to confuse you a little bit. Let's just leave it like this. The best thing I can explain now in this video for beginners is the assigning operator and this operator, the one that evaluates. So this single equal sign is different from this double equal sign in such a way that this double equal sign is evaluating to check if is this one equal to this one, but this one is not evaluating, it's assigning. It's taking this information and putting it, is taking this number and putting it inside this container. That is it for some rational operators, because I want to keep this series short and simple, and it must be for beginners. Some other things you will learn as we are coding. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, thanks for watching.